Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to all of you in the week 2 and the day 4. Today our topic is cube root and the event is exercise 1A. Before starting the exercise, you will watch the video which is related to the cube root, which clears your concept about the cube root and you are able to and how to find the cube root of a number. Let's watch the video.
By now, all of us know how to find the cube of a number. So 3 when cubed gives us 27. It means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 equals 27. So what is a cube root? Well, the cube root of 27 is 3. That's all. This is the most important concept of cube roots. The rest of the video will just focus on how cube roots are denoted and its application. So remember, 3 cubed is 27 and cube root of 27 is 3. Well, this is how the symbol of a cube root looks like. A root sign with a 3 here. So we can say that the cube root of 27 is 3. And as we saw in the square root video, this root sign is called the radical. And the number inside it is called the radicand or the base. Here's a better way to understand the concept of cubes. 4 cubed equals 4 times 4 times 4, which equals 64. We all know this. This 3, when taken to the other side, becomes cube root. Hence, we can say that the cube root of 64 equals 4. Now, we're on our way to understand a very interesting concept. We will try to understand this concept with just one example. We know that cube root of 64 is 4. This example looks very simple, but modifying it slightly can make it interesting. Let's play with these numbers. We can write 64 as 2 raised to 6. Hence, cube root of 64 can be written as cube root of 2 raised to 6. We can also write 64 as 4 cubed. Hence, we write this as cube root of 4 cubed. Now let's try writing 4 in an exponential form. 4 can be written as 2 squared. Hence, this would equal 2 squared. And of course, it can also be written as 4 raised to 1. What do we observe? Yes, when we take a cube root of a number in exponential form, the base remains the same and the exponent is divided by 3. 6 became 2 and 3 became 1. Remember, when we take a cube root of a number in exponential form, we should keep the base same and divide the exponent by 3. Let's quickly look at a couple of examples. Say we want to find the cube root of 4 raised to 9. The base actually equals 262,144. Imagine finding the cube root of this big number. But using our technique, all we need to do is keep the base same and divide the exponent by 3. Here the base is 4. Hence we write a 4 here. And divide 9 by 3. Hence we get the cube root of 4 raised to 9 as 4 raised to 3. Now let's try finding the cube root of 7 raised to 6. We can write it as 7 raised to 6 by 3, which equals 7 raised to 2. So remember, keep the base same and divide the exponent by 3. In the coming videos, we will see how we can calculate the cube root of large numbers which are not in exponential form.
Now you are able to solve the cube root of any number. Here the practice now 5 is finding the cube root of 2744 by using the prime factorization. Now we will find the prime factorization of 2744 is. First we will find the prime factors of this number, and then we can write the prime factors of this number in the index notation. In index notation, the prime factors of 2744 are 2 raised to power 3 and 7 raised to power 3. Now taking the cube root on both sides, 3 divides the power of 2, which is also 3. Then power of 2 will become 1. Also the power of 3, which is divided by the cube root, which is 1 by 3. And the power of 7 will become 1. Now we multiply multiply by 7. The answer will be 14. The cube root of 2744 is 14. Now your assignment is question number 3, exercise 1A, C and D part. Thank you.